People ask me, what comes first? A deal? If I find a good deal, will the money come? Or if I have money, the good deals come? Which do you think? Okay, interesting. I can tell you from experience, once I had the money and more money and more money, deals come to me. I have never had a problem getting deals. In 2009, when the economy had collapsed, I had 5 million cash. Now, I have huge inventory of properties, okay? My own stuff is 100 million and the fund is 100 million. So I had 5 million because that's my reserves. I had a call from the branch, Washington Mutual at the time. It got taken over by another bank called Chase Bank, okay? Washington Mutual called me and said, you have 5 million cash here in the account. This is in Walnut Creek, California. And the first reaction, I panicked. I thought like, oh my God, the bank is gonna like block my money because they don't have money. It was 2009. And he said, we're very interested in seeing if you in your profile, you're an investor, would you take some of our non-performing loans at a discount? What do you think that call is? That's money that made them attracted to me. They don't know, they didn't call me for my good looks. That's a bonus. No, I'm just kidding. Are you with me? They called me and I said, okay. The actual, when you say, the guy said to me, we're gonna sell it to you for pennies on the dollar. And I asked him, what dollar? When you gave the loan on the properties? Today's dollar on the value of the properties? Or the value of the notes at a discount? I'm gonna talk about discount notes tomorrow. I'm gonna show you a calculator. I'm gonna show you in 10 minutes what the brokers spend a weekend to learn. And I'll tell you which calculator to download tomorrow. And I'll do the calculation with you on how to get discount notes. I'll show you how, like in Northport, at 7% interest, like I will sell some properties, carry the financing. I was talking to somebody last night and I told him how to make money with it. The guy said, I want 10 notes. And the conversation was just a few minutes. And I'll show you how to calculate this. You will download the calculator. I'll show you what takes brokers a weekend to teach. I'll teach it in 10 minutes. Give you the 20% of the 20%. So much money to be made on discount notes. Imagine you have a fund. You can buy a note at a discount. It's making you income. And then you sell it for more money. So you got the cash flow and you got the upside. And if they don't pay you, you got it at a discount. You can take it home.